it's Teresa with Cardigan Crochet. I'm doing another collaboration and I've made these cool earrings and I'm collaborating with, I'm using my phone to record. I've never done it before, so I hope this turns out good. I'm doing it with DOYCreations and I'll leave her link below and everything.
Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on to another DOY Creation 7 video. Okay guys, we are going to do a tutorial today. As you can tell from the title below, we are going to do a tutorial on some spiral earrings. But before we get started, you know, I always like to give glory, honor, and praise to the Most High Yah.
And I made these cool earrings that she created on her channel. And I used this yarn to make it, and it's the, hang on a second here. Oh, it's called Bernat Premium. I have a bunch of this yarn because I bought it all when it was on sale at Walmart. And it is a number 4. I don't know if it's going to be backwards with my phone. It might be. Anyways, I'll just read it to you. It's a number 4 medium yarn, and I used a 5mm hook. It's 97% acrylic and 3% metallic. That's the little shininess comes into play. That's why I chose it, because I thought this would be cool to make earrings with this. So I really like them, and it was really fast and easy to create. So give it a try. Go to DOY Creations channel, which I'm linking her tutorial and everything below. And I'm also challenging you, Jeanette, to make my cardigan tutorial. That's the challenge. That's my favorite one that I've made so far. So I'm challenging people to make it, and Darla and Lisa's Crochet made it, and they did a great job. I love the way it turned out. So Jeanette, this is my challenge to you. Please go to my channel and check out my video on the 2 hexagons cardigan tutorial. I can't remember the name of it. And see if you want to try it, and then you make a video accepting the challenge, and then make another video once you make the challenge with the item, and then we can all see how it looks with whatever yarn you decide to use, and colors and so on. Everyone's is different because everyone's using different yarn weights, and so it's really cool, and this is a lot of fun. I'm enjoying doing this, and yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.